Okay, there's the cat. I got the cat in there first.
Hi, I'm AJ from AJ's Trains, and I have three layouts, but not him. Right here, 3 layouts. One's upstairs, and I put 2 connected. So we're gonna start with these 2 looking light bulb things.
Nice.
So I'll show you. This train right here, derailed, goes through here, and it does this. It like does that. So it can like keep going, like it's the same thing. Then if it wants to go onto here, it can go.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Then it goes onto here. That's a train here. Switch. It connects to this line. Goes to the same thing. Well, it's like a figure 8. So just to do the figure 8, we added this. So the figure 8 goes to here, there, to there, there, and out there. Then those are those 2 sidings with 2 chains. And this is the route. If you accidentally made the wrong turn, like that. If it like accidentally made the wrong turn, if you're supposed to go that way.
Okay.
If you made the wrong turn,
You could go right or left or straight.
then you can go that way.
Oh.
So then it goes to over here, and switches onto over here. Then curves, it can go there, and to here it can go from there to there, to connect back there, and there to there.
Impressive.
Switches,
Nice, nice.
Switches,
Gotta have all the switches.
all switches everywhere.
What's the cat-o-matic do?
That controls all them.
Oh, okay.
He's sleeping on the job. Wake up! Okay.
Are you done?
Shut up for you two.
Are we still going?
Yeah, still going.
Okay.
Then 2 bridges.
Uh-huh.
Switch. Then double lined thing. A switch. A double
I like the double line thing.
Goes to here. These first. Okay. And there's a train in here. Into here. And watch. This is on the right side and the left side. So just watch those 2.
I'm watching.
So gray and black on the different sides. Watch them change. Watch this gray one change.
Okay.
Now this is on the left side, not on the right side.
It's a pretty cool little movie jacket.
Shut up. Okay, so back to this. It goes over there and just goes back to over there. And there. There. Circle. Okay, upstairs. You can look from right here.
Okay.
You can stand on the couch too.
I can stand on the couch to get the full view. Can I? How about I'll just kind of.
And over here.
You got it.
And there. There's a guy who's sleeping on the job. Bye. And there's a chain like right about wait. One sec. Sorry, like right about here. See the little chain? Right there. Okay, now upstairs. So, might take a little while just to get upstairs. Okay, upstairs. And here it is. The second layout.
Oh, wow.
So, start from in here. Start in here, like light bulb.
You added onto it.
Like a light bulb. Then goes on to over here. There's a train there, derailed. And goes over here, connects there. Does that. And this was my favorite part. Right here. One sec. So, then, watch this. And it stops right before this dead end.
That's a very nice safety.
And there, right there, turntable, station, siding, train, siding, and little mining thing. And little stopper, and that's been all. This is from ajstrains.com. If you want to see more, just log on to ajstrains.com. See you later. Peace. Bye-bye.